Welcome back, guys. Sia here, and so sad to announce that we are saying goodbye to our long-termer Volvo C40 Recharge crossover. For those who don't know, this hella fast, 600 Newton meters and 300 kilowatts of power. It is a rocket. I'd say it's one of the fastest crossovers in the market right now. Yeah, so sad to say goodbye, but yeah, it is what it is. Cool, styling wise, looking at the front, the first thing you're gonna notice is the closed off grille because it's fully electric. Pure Volvo fashion, Thor hammer headlights, inspired by the Vikings, of course. The colorway, if I remember correctly, I think they call it Fjord Blue, Fjord, Fjord Blue. Don't know how to pronounce it. Looks amazing in this car. It also blends in well with the touches of black. Okay, moving on to the wheels, 20-inch wheels, big boys, low profile. One thing you need to know about these wheels, the last thing you want to do is curb these wheels because Volvo doesn't repair anymore, they replace. So if you have 15 grand laying somewhere, the windows are a bit tinted. On this specific one, I'm not sure if it comes standard or it's an option, but on this specific one, it's a bit dark to see. You can't really see on your mirrors. It's a bit hard to check your blind spots because of the tint. Moving over to the back, Volvo has added a nice spoiler at the back and two aero spoilers that just complete the whole look. Moving on to the boot, electric tailgate, of course, ample space, and it also has more space underneath for your wall box charger, and you can use this as a divider for anything really. So there's much space back here, and there's more space in the front actually. In terms of cables, this one right here is a fast charger. It's going to take you approximately an hour for the car to be fully charged, and luckily for us, charging is not really a hassle because we have a wall box installed at the office, so we can charge the car while working, and by the time we have to go home, it's all good. Okay, the second cable we have is a home charging cable. You can install this at your house. It's going to take you approximately 10 hours for the car to be fully charged. Yeah, so you might as well leave the car overnight, then take it the next morning, then you're good to go. So, stepping in the interior, first thing you're gonna notice is something that looks like leather, but it's not. Yeah, so everything you see in this car is not leather. Carpets have been made out of recycled materials. Even the backlight here resembles Sweden National Park, if you may. Yeah, apart from that, there's also hints of the Swedish flag. Yeah, the interior is much minimalistic, very minimalistic. Up top, we also have a fixed panoramic ceiling. It doesn't open. It also doesn't have a blind, so the sun kind of shoots through sometimes when you're driving. So sound system wise, I think it's safe to say this is one of the cars with the best sound systems I've ever driven. The sound system purely made by Harman Kardon, and it sounds amazing. The seat comfort is there, for sure. The seat comfort is there. It has some sort of a suede feeling, but it's not really suede. A leather feeling as well, but like I said, it's leather-free materials. But other than that, it's really comfortable. Yeah, the infotainment screen is a 9-inch portrait-style screen, which is very easy to maneuver. It's currently running on 2.12 Android software. My favorite feature in this car has to be the Wi-Fi in the car. So while you're charging your car in the charging station or something, you can literally watch YouTube to kill time. You can catch up on your favorite shows, do whatever you need to do while charging. Another good thing in this car is the fact that it doesn't have a start button. All you have to do is pop it in drive, then you're away. Proper gentleman on the road, smooth, so smooth on the road. You hardly feel any bumps. If you listen closely, you're gonna hear a sound, something that sounds like a spaceship that's about to land, but pulling power is there, 0 to 100 in just 4.7 seconds. Power has 300 kilowatts and 660 Newton meters of torque, and you feel it as soon as you put your foot down. Transmission wise, it's a 1-speed transmission, so you don't have to worry about gear changing and how it feels while it shifts. It just goes, man. In terms of driving range, you can get up to 444 kilometers on a full charge. Yeah, that should be enough for an average driver. Would I ever buy a Volvo C40 Recharge? I'd consider it. It's not that bad. I've lived with the car for a couple of weeks, and it's all about planning your routes, planning your whole day way ahead, and make sure your car is fully charged. Yeah, and I think that's it from my side. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our page, guys. Dango.